Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today is Quick and Easy Day and we are making this cute little treat holder. It's for Valentine's Day. It has Hershey's Kisses in it. There are 4 in here. I made it a little bit taller because I wanted to put this adorable little kitty on it. It said head over heels about you. So it's a cute little, this would be really cute for classrooms because the sentiments on this stamp set are really general. So it's really, really cute. I tied a bow on it. I put a little fancy top on it using my border dies. If you don't have those, y'all, you got to grab those. I use them a ton. And so they're these basic borders. I am using this one right here on it. And it's put such a cute little edge on there. And then I am using the stamp set, Love Cats. If you saw my card the other day, I used this little cat right here for a Valentine card. In fact, here is the card right here. I did a Z-fold, which anybody can do these. I did it this way instead of this way. I did it more on a landscape. So it just opens like that, and I put Happy Valentines in there, and it's just so cute. So that's what I used for the card, and I'm using this one right here for this one. But it says, I love hanging out with you. I think these would be really cute for, and it says, hi there, Valentine, and head over here is about you. They're so cute for like a classroom or even a nursing home or something like that would be super cute. And it does hold 4 of the Hershey's Kisses. Dollar Tree's starting to get out their kisses, and I picked these up, and then I picked up these in the pink, and they have the regular silver ones as well. But I'm going to do a pink one because this one is done all in real red. I am using our 6x6 Designer Series paper pack that comes in all our colors, our color families. And this time, this is from the Regals, and then I'm using this one from the 2021-23 Designer Series paper pack. So it comes with all these different designs. I am using polished pink for this one. So it's going to be this color right here, and I already cut my pieces to mat it. And it's super easy. It's one that you can do like a ton of. All right, so let's get started. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. You can give it a thumbs up if you like it, and comment below, and please share because I really want my channel to grow this year. I was trying to get to the 50,000 mark by last year. I think I'm like 36,000 now, so thank you for all of you who have subscribed. For those of you who come and watch every week, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe, so please subscribe and help my channel grow. I would really, really appreciate it. All right, so this is what we're making today. Let's get started. Okay, so you are going to need 1 piece of, like I said, I'm using polished pink. This piece is 7 by 4 1/4, and to mat it, you need 2 pieces that are 4 by 2 7/8. And then we're going to score this. You can even have your kids help you with this. They're so easy. So we're going to score this at 3. At 3 and 4. Why do I do that on here? I need to use my bone folder. The bone folder works so much easier, but I tend to grab that all the time. So I'm going to just fix that, but it's not going to show because we're using our Designer Series paper over the top. But look how great this Teflon bone folder is for making that go away. But anyway, we are going to fold on our score lines here, and I love it for this as well. If you want to know where I got this, all my stuff is linked below in the description. All right, we're going to mat this now. And we're going to mat the polka dot. You can use any of these patterns for this because they're all so cute. Look at that plaid on this side. It's so pretty. So we're going to mat it with some seal. Didn't get that perfectly straight. So let's try to get that on there a little bit better. All right, there we go. And then we'll do this one at the bottom. I am matting both sides. You don't even have to mat both sides. I'm going to grab the cut and emboss and I'm going to do the top part for you. Okay, so you do need your large one for this. By the way, this is posting on Thursday. The new celebration is live and the mini catalog started on the 5th. So today is the 5th, so this is going to be, you can order these all now. When you do this, make sure it's within your plate here because you don't want to break your die. And then we're going to run that through. I'm just running it back and forth. So look how cute that border is on there. And it just adds a little bit of something. You can just use your corner rounder if you want. If you don't have any dies, just use your corner rounder and round it off. Just make sure it's about even on the sides here. And then we're going to do that one. And that's all you're doing, y'all. All right, let's remove this. And there's our little treat holder, just like that. I'm going to use my seal to keep my Hershey's Kisses on here. You can use glue dots. I'm just running a thing across there and a line. And we are going to put these on here like this. If you put these really tight, you may be able to fit one more. Let's see if we can do that, because if we can, we'll just add one more. If you just let them touch, we may be able to fit one more. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think one more is going to fit. Well, I thought I'd try it just in case. All right, so we're going to put that up like that. I'm going to use my hole punch here. Again, I'll link one of these 1/8 inch hole punches in my... It always says the products I use that are not Stampin' Up, and it is a link there that you can order from. So I'm putting my little hole in there, and I'm going to use the coordinating polished pink ribbon on this one. I used the Real Red from the Real Red and Green that I used all Christmas long. I'm going to use my little stylus here to help me get that through because this hole is little. So I'm going to just push that through. This one's not as easy to push through as my other one was. I'm going to get a really sharp point on here. I guess because this is sheer, this ribbon. So we're going to do it this way and go through one at a time. And then we're going to tie that. And I'm tying a bow, but you can definitely just tie a double knot to keep it closed. So we're going to put a bow in this one. I'll trim this so it's not frayed and it looks nice and clean. And then we'll do this one too. And there you go. Now let's go ahead, stamp our little kitty. And I'm just using some basic white, and I am using my Stamparatus like I did on the last one because I like these really dark. And I'm going to just do him right there. I really like to do it, stamp them a couple times. And this Stamparatus, y'all, oh my goodness, I love this thing. So we're going to do that. I got to get my little, this thing is also linked in the description. I love that. I have carpal tunnel really bad, so this really, really helps so I don't press real hard. I just use both my hands, and look at how dark and how pretty that comes. All right, so we're going to close that up. And what I'm going to do is I am going to bring in the other one. I cut this out with my brother's Scan and Cut. So if y'all don't have a Scan and Cut, y'all, you have to get them. But look at how nice it cut that out. I'm going to color the heart here, and I'm going to color this with polished pink. I'm going to do the light and dark because I want to color the heart to coordinate. So I'm just going to color it in with the light, and then I'm going to just shade it a little bit with the dark. Just like that. It's super quick and easy. You can fussy cut this really easily. I did fussy cut the first one I did to see if it was going to be super hard, and no, it's real easy to fussy cut. So if you don't have a scan and cut, then you will need to fussy cut it. I'm going to do my sentiment. I forgot to do that. So it says head over heels about you. So cute. And then I'm just going to cut this. You can cut this with your trimmer and make it super straight. Sometimes I don't get them too straight when I use my scissors like this, but I'm going to flag the end here. Try to straighten that a bit there. And we are going to put him on with some dimensionals. So we're going to put a couple on here. I think 2 are enough. And I'm going to put him on first because I want to tuck the sentiment under there. Look how cute he is. Oh my goodness, y'all, they're so cute. And I'm going to need to trim this just a little bit. And I'm going to use my seal for that. And we're going to just kind of tuck it underneath where the tail is. And that is it, y'all. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, here's the red one. This one's polished pink, and then the real red. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. You can now order. I'm so excited for everybody, and I have still more that I want to order, believe it or not. I keep seeing things, and oh my gosh, I just can't control myself. So this is my January host code. If you want to shop, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. By the way, I have a QR code now that you can just scan, and it'll take you right to my page. Always check to see if it says Angie Pyjas at the top that you're shopping with me, because I would really appreciate that. All right, everyone, have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.